What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I decided I was going to try a face mask for you. So one of my most viewed videos actually is trying a face mask, but I was in Target the other day because I was getting some essential things and I was trying to think of video ideas to do because it's like so hard to think of stuff to do. But I decided I was going to try this face mask because I saw it and I wanted to see if it was as cool as it sounds. So before we get into this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. So I don't know how to pronounce this because I'm really bad at reading. I'm sorry, I'm like really bad. But it's the Masque bar. I don't know if that's how you say it. Holographic foil peel off mask. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually so excited, but I want to see if it actually is holographic. I don't know if I think it is or not, like maybe like 50-50 chance. But I saw it and I was like, I have to try it, so I got it for you guys. I think it's like $3.99 or something like that. It's either $3.99 or $2.99. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off all my makeup. I've been sleeping with my makeup on the last couple of nights, which isn't good, I know. But this will be good, and my skin is really dry and this one is good for moisture, so that's another reason I got it. So we're gonna go ahead and take off our makeup and then start applying the mask. Okay guys, so I just took off all my makeup except my eye makeup because I was like, whatever, I don't care. But I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put this up out of the way, so if I be looking ugly, don't be judging, you know. Well, my face is already bad, like my face is super red and dry, so here we go. I'm excited. How do you know if it's like, oh wait, it kind of looks holographic-y in the packaging. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. Ew, I look so ugly. Let's put this aside. Ew, oh my god, guys. Whatever. Forget it. I don't care at this point. Oh wow, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. That feels so good. It's cold. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. I think that's like all that's in here. So I do have to say, there's not a lot in here, like at all. So like I haven't even covered my forehead yet, and I already ran out of product. So I would say you might need 2 of these to get like a proper peel off, I guess. That's the only thing I do have to say, is you might have to get 2 if you want to cover your entire face. But here it is. Why does it look so clumpy in that area on camera, but it's not in person? Okay, so this has to settle for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back with you guys, but this is what it looks like. It is very holographic-y, but I feel like you can't tell on camera. Like it just kind of looks clear and wet, but it's actually like pink and purple, and it's like really cool. So I don't think this shows it off as well as it could. Okay guys, so it's been a good, like I would say almost 15 to 20 minutes, just because some of the places had a little more time to harden. But a lot of it's hardened now. It's hard for me to talk, so I guess we're just gonna go ahead and rip it off. It hurts so bad, like right here, because how tight it is. My boyfriend, I Skyped him because we're in quarantine and we can't see each other. Made me laugh so much that my wrinkles like dented it while I was laughing. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. That's high-key satisfying though. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, guys, this hurts so freaking bad. Oh my god, this is... I'm gonna freaking cry. This hurts. I did not expect it to be this painful. Like, I know some peel off masks aren't like bad at all. This one fucking hurts. Oh yeah, that hurt a lot. Oh my god, I did it so close to my eyes. Okay. This looks like dry skin. Oh my god. I meant peeling skin, not dry skin. Oh my god, this freaking hurts. I'm gonna freaking cry. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this hurts so bad. Oh my god. Oh, my eyes are watering. Ah. Look how red my face is. Oh my god. My eyes are watering. Not because like I'm crying because it hurts, because like right here it just makes your eyes water for some reason. Oh my god. Ooh, we're almost there. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god, it made my face so red. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Shit. Ow. Damn. Okay guys, so there still is some on my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower. So I'm just gonna take this off when I get in the shower. But I do have to say, my skin is actually like really smooth feeling after the mask. It hurts so freaking bad, like I'm not going to lie. It hurts like a bitch. And it made my face really red, as you can see. But it's really smooth, and I think this mask is totally worth it. I think you should go get it and try it because it's so fun. If you like holographic things, I think it is so perfect for you. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried this face mask already, or if you have any recommendations that you want me to try. Definitely tell me down below. That would be awesome. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.